We love to eat makhanas. Friends, instead of grabbing fried snacks, I think it is better to pick up a handful of makhanas every day to boost your weight loss journey. Hello friends, this is Sham Savan and I welcome you all to my channel Power of Nutrition. So friends, let's check out the recipe first and then we will talk about its health benefits, its nutritional value, how many calories, much more in detail. Of course, you will have to pair them with a healthy diet and a good exercise regime every day or at least every 5 days a week to reap its full benefit. And remember friends, anything in excess is bad, and that is true with all the foods, be it healthy or unhealthy. So friends, these are makhanas, lotus seeds or fox nuts, whatever we call, right? These are super healthy. But do we really include this in our diet as a snack option? Of course, as a meal option, we might not, or in fact, you should not. But as a snack option, as a whenever you get those hunger pangs, I think this is one of the best snack that you can have. So basically, people are not aware about health benefits of this makhanas, and also they are not aware or may not be aware about the recommended levels to consume. And also, before including this in your diet, right, I think it is always as for me, it is always better to have some basic knowledge, some basic understanding of the food item that you are going to include in your diet, right? What it is going to give you, how much maybe calories or what exactly your body is going to get after eating this. If eaten in right quantity and in right manner, I think makhanas will definitely give a boost to your weight loss journey. It will basically help you to lose your fat weight or your overall weight. The reason is they are really low in calories and high in nutritional value. They are really low in cholesterol, in bad cholesterol, low in sodium, high in protein, good source of vegetarian protein, I must say, good complex carbohydrates. In terms of vitamins and minerals, it does contain some vitamins and some good minerals as well. And of course, they are also gluten free. Now, what is that? Gluten, right? We would have heard this term many times. I would cover that in a separate topic. Friends, I really hope the information that I'm sharing through my videos are actually helping you to achieve your goal, whatever goal you may have. And it is actually creating some value to you as my audience. And friends, if you like this video, if you like the information that I'm sharing through my videos, definitely do consider subscribing to my channel. Press that like button. There's a comment box below. You can put your comments, your questions, your suggestions. I would definitely read those comments, I would definitely read those questions, and I would cover those topics in my next video. Remember friends, Makhanas can also be used for your weight gain goal. Yes, definitely. Just consume 1 glass of low fat milk with banana, and that will increase the overall calories of this snack, and it will help you to gain weight. In Ayurveda, this is how it is used for weight gain. Hello friends, again this video is kind of inspired by the need of my daughter. She likes to eat kurmuras, right, the white kurmura. So that is something I don't want, because those white kurmuras are actually made of white rice, right, so no nutritional value in it. So instead of that, I was looking for something else which she would like, and definitely it would be tasty and healthy at the same time. And that's when I actually thought of introducing Makhanas to her, and she actually really liked it. And I would say it is definitely a much healthier snack option for kids. You can try it as a tiffin box a recipe as well. This is definitely a much healthier snack options for kids, right? They would definitely love it, because after roasting the makhanas, they really become crunchy, and that crunchiness is something that my daughter likes, and definitely I think most of the kids like the crunchiness in any food, right? So friends, this makhanas can be consumed by someone who has weight loss goal, also by someone who has a weight gain goal. It will be a great snack option for people who go to office. They can just carry it. It will be a good snack option in office, and definitely it can be also consumed by kids. You can give it to them in the tiffin box. It would be a great tiffin box recipe. So definitely friends, do consume this multi-talented makhanas. That's it for this video friends. This is Sham Sawan for Power of Nutrition. If you like this video, remember friends, to press the like button, to subscribe to my channel, to press the notification bell, leave some comments, leave some questions, any suggestions that you would have for me to improve further, or anything that you would like me to cover or comment upon. Definitely I would read those comments and try to answer those. That's it for this video friends. This is Sham Sawan for Power of Nutrition. I will see you next weekend. Until then, goodbye, and keep munching on this Makhanas.